rua de Horta e Sousa, tantos olhos sabe a marcha. As governor of Macau, driven a street name in Taipa village. Oh, 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 in Taipa village. Horta Costa, oh, 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 Horta Costa. Walking down Rua de Horta e Sousa in a little Taipa village of Macau. Horta Costa, oh, 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 Horta Costa, Horta Costa, oh, 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 Horta Costa.
Okay, so we're in Taipa village, and this right here is called Horta y Costa Plaza, and that's Kunyagai. This is kind of the main food street, and this is a park nearby. But I'm seeing lots of people everywhere in this park, so I want to walk down the street called Horta y... there's a big long line, so we're going to capture that. But before we do, we'll also just capture where we're at. So we're up a little bit up on the hill, Casada du Cortel. You can see part of the Cotai Strip would be right over on the other side of this building. And this is kind of a colonial, and also a lot of stuff right in this area as well. Okay, so we're gonna go down in Taipa village and show you our particular street. So let's put it up on the map. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so we have Horta y Costa Street, which is right there. We're gonna go down like this. Just give you, I think we're gonna just look down just for a second. It's kind of interesting. You have some interesting artwork up here, all the way down, up there as well. And they also have, I think some of this is kind of new. These stars are new. Then it has Hello Macau. So there's a lot of stuff for tourists throughout Taipa village, including up the hill a little bit. Luggage. Okay, there's a rooftop bar right there straight ahead, so lots of people are up there. And we also have our artwork down that way. And our particular street and plaza got all these beautiful poinsettias. It was it's January 10 right now, so December had the Christmas themes with poinsettias and different things, including light in the park. Let's take a look down this particular street. I think there's like K-pop references in some of these. I think it's Super Junior. Kind of bright. Okay, let's turn around like this. We'll sneak through real quick. So this is Kunigai right here. Somebody's in the street. Okay, so let's kind of walk towards our park right over here. So I think this park has the same name, and there's also a dragon reference right here. So there's a red dragon that goes all the way down like that with the scales and the feet and everything like that. Let's just kind of take a look at that dragon at different angles. So right here, all the scales go all the way down. Okay, and then this is the park of the same name, and then our particular street is Hua. So we're gonna walk over that way. I think I'm gonna, we'll walk this way. Let's walk briefly into the park. I guess that's the best way to go. So this little plaza, we'll come back around to this on the other side in a moment, but our street is this one right here. It goes all the way down, so we're gonna follow that. But you can also see all the people up at the park benches up above it. Let's you go towards our Target Street. Yeah. Thank you, you too. Bye. It's funny. I didn't expect that. So there's our street right there. Horta, Sousa. That's It's funny. They also speak, I think they're maybe from the United States or Canada or maybe Australia, somewhere like that. Okay, so we have all of our many people all the way down. And this is called Kunigai right here. Then our Target Street is right there. Let's just walk into this briefly. You're trying to see long lines everywhere, lots of people everywhere. Okay. Then we're gonna come back down. So long lines here too. So this line is so long that it goes, they'll block it and then the line continues down that way. You can see how long that is. And this particular street is right here, Hua y Horta y Costa. We're gonna walk down it. Try to walk down it. And then this one also has long lines too. Actually, the lines got shorter. So I think maybe they already were in line. A little while ago, this had an incredibly long line. Let's see what that is. I guess it's different types of mochi. Strawberry, mango, kiwi. So I guess that long line is for that. Okay. And then we're going to, I always thought this is kind of a cool looking building. So that's that long line for that. Then we'll keep on going down. I don't even know what that is, but this is the end of our street right there. So the kind of the bright sun. That's our street name. We're gonna go up. And this is also really popular right here, this little cafe. It's like a 1, 2, 3 with a rooftop. Oh, I guess before we go up, we'll also connect it to this little thing right here. So this has information about this park, Mercado de. So here it is in English, Portuguese, Chinese. So it's ruins of the old Taipa market. So they had a market right here. I guess this is the best picture. So you can see some of the kids, different stuff being sold. 1935. So this would be the old market right here. And I think this name still has the same name. It's like the Plaza y Horta y Costa, or Carmel. And then the Carmel Church was up on the hill a little bit. There's Carmel Church, kind of where we started. There's a couple of references to different Carmel types of things. Okay, so that's our street over there. That's where all the crowded people were at. It's a big long line. There's even like a little food mart thing with a pig right there. And we're gonna end our video. So let's come on over here. There's another line right there. So yeah, Hua y Horta y Sousa. That's the street.